Hi, I'm the Moss Man, and in today's video we're going to be working on a bunch of little smaller projects again today. So we're going to take a look at the Buddhist Pine Bonsai that I showed in a previous video, some ginger, we're going to repot a plant, and that's pretty much it for today. I've got some bigger videos coming up hopefully, we'll see, depends on what time permits, but for now, enjoy. You'll have to pardon my nasaliness and various mouth noises, because unfortunately I'm sick as of the time recording. But what we have here is just a video looking at all the new growths that are happening on the plants that I have around here, including my philodendron birkin, my calathea nerve plant, and then of course the Buddhist pine bonsai. And it's because of these new growths that I've chosen to cut it short, so hopefully that energy can go into something that I want instead of stuff that's going to get cut off eventually anyways. So the first thing I'm doing is sterilizing the blade. When you're doing cuttings especially, but anytime you're cutting a plant you're making an open wound, so it's important to have clean equipment and preferably sharp equipment, which is why I'm using a fresh razor blade. If you have like some sharp pruning shears or whatever, those are just as good, I think. I'm just pressing it through. It may have been better if I had some pruning shears or something, because as you'll see, the cuts that I actually get off of this aren't as clean as I maybe would have wanted. Now here we have our lemon-scented geranium, and this was a cutting not too long ago from my grandmother's lemon-scented geranium, and it has definitely outgrown its current pot. Looking at those roots, so I'm just gonna put it in a bigger one. Finally, this is a piece of ginger that I've been growing for a while, and I will do a full video on it at some point. But for now, what I've found is some liquid growth stuff, which is also a fungicide. So, considering there was some mold growing in places, I decided to dry it off and apply some of this. So hopefully we get less mold growing and more roots growing, and yeah, and that's that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'd like to thank Dylan, Elijah, Lexi, Michael for providing the music in today's video. And hopefully by the next video, I won't be under the weather speaking with this sick voice here. But yeah, for now, I'll see you later.